Today we are making these Austrian Linzer Tart cookies from my cookbook, High Alpine Cuisine.
To your last $5 to smokes, you got big dreams. You're just an ambitious proletariat, questioning what it all means now that you found out that it doesn't mean anything to be right when the world is wrong. I'm so sorry to hear that you're crestfallen alone now. Do you believe in it's new? Something bigger than you, love. Something bigger than me. And do you wish it was true, love? Do you wish it was me? You see it. Something small, just a flicker, and you swear it was real, but you've been fooled before. For the first time, for the last time, for the first time, for the last time. So sorry to hear that you're crestfallen alone now. Do you believe
It takes a few steps to make these, but it's totally worth it. These Linzer cookies are from my cookbook, High Alpine Cuisine. Make sure you order your copy today. You can get it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or perhaps your local retailer. All right, time to dive in.